Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and you are doing your study well. Today we are going to study the chapter number 1 in English. So listen properly and try to understand this chapter through this video. So students, what is the name of the chapter? Yes, the name of the chapter is The Missing Bat. What do you understand about it? Yes, you understand that एक बैट है जो मिसिंग है बट यू डू नॉट नो, आपको पता नहीं है जो ये बैट कैसे मिसिंग हुआ है, कहाँ से हुआ है और कब हुआ है. आपको कैसे ये पता होगा? हाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट? व्हेन यू विल रीड it that time you will understand that how the bat was missing. So we will study the chapter, but before going to study this chapter I will explain it in in short. So listen properly. Look at the picture. There was a man. His name was Abdul Rahman. He had a cricket bat factory in Sangam near Srinagar. He owned that factory. In that factory, many workers worked there. They called Abdul Rahman as a चाचा. चाचा इज ए हिंदी वर्ड, मीन्स वो जो वर्कर थे वो लोग उनको रेस्पेक्ट करके चाचा कह के बुलाते थे. Abdul Rahman was very particular person and he was an old man with hunchback. Hunchback means someone who back is bent forward. Means एक आदमी है जो नीचे झुक झुक करके चलता है. He used to walk with his walking stick. Every day he came in his factory for observing. He observed all the things in his factory, means how the workers worked, where the work works, and how many beds the worker has made. One of the worker in his factory named Amir, he had a son named Ahmed. He also used to go that factory every day and he was playing with the bats. And you can see the picture that he had made many friends near the factory. And when Abdul Rahman Chacha saw Ahmad with playing with bats, he scolded him and he told him, "Oh boy, this is not a playing thing." Means he shouted on Ahmad और बोलते थे कि बच्चा ये playing का things नहीं है, this is not for you. Abdul Chacha, he liked to count the bats every day when before going to home, and when next morning he was opening the factory again he used to count those bats, that is anyone missing or no. मीन्स फैक्ट्री बंद करने से पहले और फैक्ट्री खोलने से पहले अब्दुल चाचा जो थे वो काउंट कर लेते थे कि कोई भी बैट मिसिंग ना हो. But one afternoon, what happened? When Chacha loaded the bats in a truck, he found that one of the bats, it was missing. It was biggest and lighted bat, which one the Chacha already admired. एडमायर मीन्स जो प्रशंसा, चाचा ने एक बैट थे जो उन्होंने बहुत प्रशंसा किए थे, बहुत प्राउड फील किए थे उस बैट को लेके, उसी बैट मिस हो गए थे. बट चाचा डिड नॉट नो दैट हु हैज टेकन द बैट, हु हैज स्टोलन द बैट. So what he did, he called all the workers and stand them in a row. and ask them one by one. वो चाचा ने क्या किया था, उन जितने भी वर्कर्स थे सबको बुलाए थे और एक लाइन में खड़ा कर दिए थे और सबको पूछ रहे थे कि किसने मेरे बैट लिया, वो जो मेरे सबसे अच्छे बैट थे वो बैट को किसने लिया, हु हैज स्टोलन इट, किसने चुराया. And that day Ahmad is also missing, means he didn't come to the factory. So he asked to his father, means Amir. He asked to Amir that Amir, where is your son? Has he stolen my bat? वो आपके सन कहाँ है, आपका बच्चा कहाँ है, उसने तो मेरा बैट लेके नहीं गया. So Amir replied to चाचा. आमिर ने बताया, नो चाचा, अहमद इज सिक टुडे. अहमद आज उसका तबीयत अच्छे नहीं है इसलिए वो फैक्ट्री में नहीं आया है, बट उसने वो बैग नहीं लिया है. But चाचा didn't listen anyone. He was asking again and again about the bat, but no one was answering him. Suddenly, what happened? Amir pointed him, and including Amir, all the workers were giggles. Means आमिर के साथ जितने भी सारे वर्कर्स थे, सडनली वो लोग सब हंसने लग गए. सो वर्कर को हंसने देख के चाचा और भी ज़्यादा गुस्से हो गए और चाचा पूछने लगे कि दैट यू आर ऑल द टाइम्स यू आर स्टैंडिंग हियर, सो मीन्स आफ्टरनून से लेके आप लोग सब यहीं पे खड़े हो और क्या हुआ है. देन आमिर answered him that chacha, we have found the bat and we have know that who has taken the bat and how has he taken the bat. आमिर ने चाचा को बताया कि चाचा, हमको पता चल गया है कि ये बैट किसने लिया है और कब लिया है. Then चाचा asked him, so answer me, show me who has that man that my bat has taken. So Amir pointed to Chacha. Chacha, look down, that bat is in your hand. You used it as a walking stick. So Chacha looked down and he saw, yes, which bat he was admiring, which he was felt proud that bat is with you. So he laughed loudly. So dear students, I hope you understand the story, you go through the story, and when you will read this story, you will learn more about it. In next class, we will do some exercises, we will learn some new words, and we will read it one more time. So, thank you everyone. Have a good